one thing which is very unique about this intensive test program is that firstly it's a very rigorous testing program and you will be made to give at least one test every day, and because of this you will be exposed to almost all the kinds of questions that come in NEET.
And one of the best test series that I personally gave at this point of time was the Aakash Final Test Series. In this test series, you will get both part syllabus and full syllabus tests. This series will help you in revising your syllabus.
जो रियल टाइम इन्वायरमेंट होता है जे एडवांस के लिए वो आपको एक्सपीरियंस करना है, तो उसके लिए आपको मॉक टेस्ट देने पड़ेंगे। और मॉक टेस्ट के लिए सबसे जो बेस्ट मेरे को लगा वो था आकाश का FTS। आकाश का FTS एकदम रियल टाइम सिचुएशन आपको देता है कि एग्जाम्स में आपको कैसे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे।
For me, I think Aakash FTS series really helped me because it was very close to what the actual advanced offered me. And first of all, it gave me confidence that whenever I score good, I had the confidence that okay, I'm going on the right path. And whenever I had a bad exam, I could analyze those exams and realize what my mistakes were.
The regular test series, which was taken at the platform of Aakash iTutor, really helped me a lot to gain confidence in giving exam, and the exam phobia was gradually disappearing. So previously I used to fear while giving an exam, but now the fear has nearly about vanished, and the credit goes to the continuous online test series provided by Aakash.
The classroom sessions here at Aakash are interactive and very engaging. The environment here is very competitive, which helps us to increase our rank constantly. The concepts are explained in step-by-step manner in detail, which helps us to build the concepts crystal clear.
जब मैंने आकाश ज्वाइन किया था तो आकाश का मटेरियल बेसिकली NCERT पे फोकस्ड होता है, कंसेप्ट NCERT के होते हैं, जिन्होंने मुझे बोर्ड्स और JEE दोनों के लिए हेल्प किया। तो आकाश ज्वाइन करने पे हमें कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, सिलेबस तो सेम ही रहता है, सिर्फ पेपर पैटर्न अलग होता है। तो उसने मुझे JEE और बोर्ड्स दोनों को टैकल करने में काफ़ी हेल्प की।
आकाश faculty is really helpful. They interact individually with all the students, clarify their doubts.
So all through my preparation, I asked lots of doubts from my teachers and they were consistently cleared. That was the main key behind my success.
Also, we are provided with various question banks like Success Achiever, Success Magnet, which play an important role in boosting our rank.